Welcome to Hardware Resources Cabinet Shop. Today we're going to be putting together a knee drawer cabinet. So we're going to go ahead and open up the box. But before you open up the box, one of the things that you want to make sure you do is double check your part number against your packing list just to make sure that it's the cabinet that you ordered. You can see all the stuff is packaged nicely in here. We have our assembly instructions. And here we have our drawer guides and our box of hardware. And here we have our 4 wood corner blocks, our pocket screws, our 1-inch screws, our L brackets and the screws, 1/2-inch screws that go with those, and our bumpers. And then inside here is everything that belongs to the slides. So all your hardware and everything will not be in the hardware kit, it will actually be in the box that the slides are in. Here we have our drawer clips, 1/2-inch screws, our slides, and our end brackets. So one of the first things we're gonna do is we're gonna take our rear brackets and we're gonna put them on this piece here. You can see that the holes are already pre-drilled, and we're gonna go ahead and install these with the long piece facing towards the bottom. And that just clips right in there. All right, so here we have our screws. On each side, you have 2 screw locations. So we're gonna go ahead and secure this rear bracket. One of the things you'll wanna make sure that you do is make sure it's flush so that this can slide easily back and forth and adjust. So next we're gonna take our face frame here and we're gonna put it face down. Then we're gonna take our side panels, and note on the bottom here we have this dovetail, so it's really easy to just line that up and slide it right in there. Same thing on the other side. So now that we have our side panels installed, we will install the back. So the rear brackets need to be facing inside. We'll grab our pocket screw, make sure we're flush. So now we're going to install our L brackets here. They're already pre-drilled. All you need is 4 1/2-inch screws. Same thing on the other side. All right, now we have the corner bracket. Again, on the face frame here, there is holes on either side. So you can go ahead and line that up. And you're gonna use your 1-inch screw. All right, we can flip it over and do the other side. And as you're putting these corner brackets in there, you just want to make sure that everything's flush because your countertop's going to be installed on top of it. So we'll go ahead and set this aside. So next we're going to build our drawer box. Put this front down with the groove facing you. So glue is optional, but you can put it here in each of these insets here, the dado, and on the other side as well. So put your side panel on first, and that slides in pretty easy. So you could use a rubber mallet as well. All right, so we'll grab our back panel next. We'll just slide that in there. Then we'll put our other side panel up. All right, and then we'll put our top piece here. All right, and there's our finished drawer box. Next, we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna install our drawer clips. So you have a left and a right, and they are marked on each one. So there's our left. Now we'll install our undermount drawer slides, and you'll need your screws that came with the drawer slides. And we'll slide it into the rear bracket like so. Mount it to the front here. There's already a pre-drilled hole. Same thing on the other side. We'll put on our bumpers here in the middle of the drawer, about a 1/2 inch over, and on the other side as well. And the last step here is that we'll pull these out, grab our finished drawer box, and we'll pull that in, lock that in place, and we have our drawer box. So the good thing about this knee drawer is it can accommodate an opening from 24 inches up to 30. I hope you found this assembly video helpful. Thank you for watching.